टॉपिक डी हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन डी, दैट इज एच स्क्वायर माइनस एच माइनस 6 डिवाइडेड बाय एच स्क्वायर माइनस 9 मल्टीप्लाई एच स्क्वायर plus 2h. First we are going to write solution, then we write the same question again because we are solving this question. Then h square minus 9 multiply h square plus 2h. Now we'll take factor of this term, and now we multiply 6 with 1, that will be 6. We'll take LCM of 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 multiply by 2, that will be 6. What we need to do, we need to perform the function of minus, and we need minus 1h. So minus 3 plus 2, that will be minus 1. So instead of h square minus h minus 6, I will write h square minus 3h plus 2h minus 6 divided by h square minus 9 can be written as h minus 3 h plus 3. Why? Because h square minus 9 square can be written as h square. We can apply the formula a square minus b square here, that will be a minus b and a plus b. So h minus 3 and h plus 3, the result will be acquired based on the formula, that is a square minus b square equals to a minus b a plus b. So that will be h minus 3 h plus 3. Now multiplied with h square plus 2h can be written as h plus 2, because we have common h from this function. H is here and h is here, we take h as common. Now h square minus 3h has h in common, so the remainder will be h minus 3 plus 2h minus 6 has 2 is common, the result will be h minus 3. And now h minus 3 and h plus 3 multiply by, now this h can be cancelled with this h square, so the remainder will be h and h plus 2. Further, h plus 2 and h minus 3 is remainder here, and h minus 3 h plus 3 multiply by h plus 2 will remain here. Now if you focus that h plus 2 can be cancelled with h plus 2, h minus 3 can be cancelled with h minus 3, so we are going to have h plus 3, and this is our answer. In question h, there is c square minus d square, c square minus 2cd plus d square divided by 1 cd plus d square. First, we are going to write solution, that is c square minus d square, c square minus 2cd plus d square divided by 1 cd plus d square. Further, as we have c square minus d square, this can be written as c minus d and c plus d. Now c square minus 2cd plus d square, we need to perform function of plus, and we need minus 2, so we can write this c square minus cd minus cd. So minus minus plus, we are going to arrive on the sum of minus 2cd plus d square. Now this divide converts with multiply, and we change with numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So this is going to be cd plus d square divided by 1. Now c minus d and c plus d here, we have C common here, so the remainder will be C minus D, and this minus. Now CD plus D square and D in common, so the remainder will be C minus plus minus D multiply CD plus D square and D in common, so the remainder will be C plus D divided by 1. Now C minus D, C plus D divided by C minus D, and C minus D will arrive, multiply D, C plus D divided by 1. We can get this C minus D with C minus D. Further, the remainder answer will be C plus D, C minus D multiply D, C plus D divided by 1. So we have 2CD, that will become CD square. We have D in common, that is D, and in denominator we have C minus D, that will be the answer.